Lordship may kindly have psychotropic substance. Lordship has a definition.
Specified in the schedule.
Yes,
So according to this, it's not specified in
it
the
is
schedule.
not. So, my lords, on the day when I am this offence is put on me, the FIR is registered. I am alleged to have committed, which is I am not the one. The other five have alleged to have committed. It should be an offence as per the Act. They can't, by the basis of opinions, make it as an offence. But it is nowhere in the schedule, and even in their additional affidavit, they have not been able to show that it has been a offence in the schedule.
All right.
Now, my lords, second aspect. After this, my lords, Lordship sees my second submission. This was that no NDPS Act was made out. Lordship may now come to the FIR. What it said, how they rope me in this FIR. Well, this page 59. Oh, exactly.
Yes.
Page 59. Lordship has the complainant is Gaurav Gupta.
Yes.
Page 59 of the SLP. Lordship has got it. And
Sir,
next
SLP, SLP. All right.
P4. Next P4.
Yes. 69. 59.
Yes.
Yes.
Their grievances that I shoot videos. One video.
69, 59.
59 minutes.
59.
Yes.
Well, this. So they give that I am this organization, which I am shown. He is no more a member. He has no authority. So there is a YouTuber so-and-so who makes videos with snake venom and live snakes in farmhouses in Noida and NCR. This is all. There is no substance except for one video which I say, which I own. There is nothing of this. And other members of the YouTuber, they illegally as a gang engage parties in which foreigners come from where there is no evidence which has come on.
Now it says Gaurav Gupta, Animal Welfare Officer in PFA organization. He is not a member, is it?
He is no more.
Not an officer.
What?
Even on the date of the complaint.
No. Lordship may kindly have, and I'll show how it's an extra P1 itself of this petition. Lordship has this SLP petition and extra P1.
Yes.
P1 itself shows.
Please.
Page 44. Because he engaged in complaints against some other people. This is their method of extortion also, my lords. So, Lordship has, this is 4th of January 22, an extra P1. It is brought to the notice of the board that you are using it as addressed to Gaurav Gupta.
Yes, all right.
Harvard ID number which has expired in February 2020.
Yes.
In this regard, it is submitted that the board has issued a circular that all these have expired. Last paragraph, therefore, in view of this, directed to submit the original Harvo ID so-and-so to the board. He is not there. P2 is, he was asked to surrender the documents, page 48. 27th of January 2022.
Yes, all right.
So now, my lords, back to an extra P4.
Yes, please.
My lord, after the investigation, they have not find that I have ever conducted any party or anything or involved in any of these things. Except that one video blog, there is nothing else.
You participated there.
I participated.
But then you are found having the snakes in your hand, is it?
Yes, my lord, there is. My lord, which is part of another FIR in which I am saying cancellation is filed. And the Noida police has no power to investigate because that's an incident which took place in Gurgaon, Haryana. That farmhouse where that video was shot was in Haryana. So Haryana police registers FIR.
Oh, against that one.
Against that same video. Files a cancellation report. Noida police had no jurisdiction. But both the brothers were annoyed and they wanted to catch some limelight, and that's why all this has happened. Now, my lord, there is no evidence. So upon this, Lordship has...
So far as this occurrence concerned, is it connected with the earlier one or is it not connected?
Nothing. These are two separate incidents.
I see.
This incident is he makes a phone call to Rahul Sapera that I'm organizing a party.
Who makes the call?
The Gaurav Gupta, it is he calls,
Yes.
and then those five snakes.
So how do you get into this affair?
Nothing, my lord, there is no evidence. That's what I'm saying. Except what they say is because I am organizing in this, I engage parties. There is no evidence to effect. I am not present. I am not, nothing recovered from me. What they say is that this one person knew this, what is the name of, Rahul knew one, Ishwar knew Vinay, so Vinay knew me, so I am involved. It's something like my friend dealing with some other people and I get involved into it. If I've spoken to him for 5 times and he's been speaking to 2-3 other people, I get involved into it. This is the only thing which they have. No evidence that I have ever conducted any party. No evidence except that video. That video is there. I don't deny it. And therefore, Haryana police registers FIR, says all permissions taken. There was no cruelty, everything seen, and they file a cancellation report. Whatever is the outcome, the trial court will decide it. For the same thing, I can't be tried again twice. Now, Lord,
Yes.
on this basis, Lordship may kindly have, they just go through that this YouTuber on second, Lordship kindly have page 59, last few lines.
Yes.
He says how we called. After this,
Yes.
I called them to the Chevron hospital. We informed them on 2nd November 23. We informed the DFO as soon as these smugglers, that's Rahul, Titu Nath and all, came to the hospital. We talked to them and expressed.
That's all this FIR. Let us see the charge sheet.
Yes.
How do they implicate you?
Yes, my lord. Lordship may kindly have the charge sheet. Page 40.
Page 40, is it?
Page 109, my lords may have.
109.
And extra P14,
Yes.
Lordship may have.
Yes. Yes.
Lordship has it, page 147.
147.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Again, they say, I've been conducting parties, no evidence, so I called Rahul, and this, he says he's attached, he's protected. So this discussion between when he calls Rahul, that is one CD with them. Where this is what-
How are you implicated in the charge sheet? Please read the relevant part.
Well, that's even I am at a only on the basis of disclosure
Now,
of
based on this information, the
On page 149 में see.
149.
149.
Yes, what is it?
Informal contacted Elvis Yadav for conducting raid party. This is 147. Informal contacted.
My lord, may I come?
No, there is
149, my lord, second last para, the main accused, Rahul Sapera. They're onwards, my lord.
Please.
149, my lord.
149.
Yes. The main accused, Rahul Sapera.
Right, Sapera, yes.
Yes. Married, my lord.
Yes.
The main,
Sunday is created channel. His medium is connected to
I am not connected to Rahul Sapera. No evidence.
this will come.
several times.
No.
And he has taken mistakes. That's correct. All the data, we take that as a character.
Well, it's a disclosure statement in police custody. That is the only evidence, disclosure of this accused in the police custody, and that too on the after 5 days. First disclosure, he doesn't name me. There is no phone call between me and Rahul Sapera.
Rahul collects venomous snakes and
And who's a youth accused, Venom Sect, who is
Through his friends, which Rahul makes available. Well, this is a disclosure statement, which is
no, this is certain CD number so and so.
this is disclosure of Rahul. No evidence.
No.
And there is not even a phone call of mine with Rahul.
That's a
There
matter,
is
matter of investigation.
Yes, Manoj?
That's a matter of investigation.
Rahul
No,
says,
investigation is complete. Charge sheet has been filed.
No.
So they have not been able to get any evidence that I ever procured from him, or I have ever contacted him, or I have this. This first disclosure, he doesn't even name me. Second disclosure, he names. Lordship, may kindly have those disclosures. I'll give that disclosure.
CD numbers 11, 12.
I will read those. Manoj.
Clearly reported.
I'll read those series numbers. Yes. Well, let's kindly have an extra P6, page 65.
This is the CD means it's a statement given before the
Police officer.
I see.
Police officer while in custody, and he's an accused. Lordship, may kindly have an extra P6. Third, he is arrested. Rahul.
Page.
Page number is 65.
65.
Yes, an extra P6 with the SLP. 3rd November 20, he says statement of Rahul so-and-so, 32, confessed his crime and stated that I belong, my father is so-and-so, do the working of playing drum, flutes, etc. at wedding parties and other places. Wherever there is a demand for snake venom and live snake, I take snake venom and live snakes there. This snake venom and live snakes are given to me by a man in Delhi, Badarpur, whose name and address I do not know. He is found standing near...
Well, it's already got. See, now the charge against you is that that you have procured it from who's it, Rahul. Rahul through his friends. That is Vinay Yadav and Ishwar Yadav.
I procure it. There is no recovery from me.
No, we understand the charge. You'll ask them, no problem. Yes, all right. But there is some evidence in the charge sheet. What is the material? We'll ask them, that's all.
Yes.
We will not go into the quality of the material. The material is available not based upon that any statement is given by this person.
The petitioner was using a virtual number also, my lord, to get in touch. That is also incorporated in charge sheet, my lord. So,
We'll come back to it.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, all right.
My Lordship may have. Then his second disclosure is recorded, which is the maximum they have, which is again a disclosure statement. Page 66. This is after 4 days he's in custody on the 6th November.
That's all right.
Am I annex? Is a snake charmer?
See.
I get that venom when I go to Elvish Yadav's
It is
party.
25, therefore we will ignore that. We want to know what is the material. We'll ask him, no problem.
Yes, my lord. Now, my lords, these are two aspects. One is with regard to the fact whether it's not an NDPS substance it's not a psychotropic substance under the act, so I can't be charged.
Yes.
No charge sheet for that could be filed or no cognizance be taken. Second, it's a case of no evidence against me. Thirdly, the legal issue that it could have been only on a complaint case, my lords, and not on a police report. And Murad Ali and Jeevan Rock are the two decisions thereon. Well, that in a case where it is under the Wildlife Protection Act, only and only, even if the police officer was authorized, he could have filed a complaint case and not a police report. And no cognizance could have been taken on a police report, only on a complaint case. Well, at para 13, if Lordship has in Murad Ali,
Yes.
page 16,
Perfect.
a compilation, if my lords have it on the last date I hand.
Yes. Yes. Page 13.
Page 30. The issue in this was whether 210 proceeding could be done because police officer investigated and filed the complaint as also a charge sheet.
Yes.
So they said even that's not permissible. Para 13
Yes.
if Lordship has,
Yes.
page 60. Good
Yes, sir.
purchase from a perusal of these provisions is that cognizance on offence under the Act can be taken by a court only on the complaint of officer mentioned in 55. The person who lodged the complaint on so-and-so, Lordship may come to the last 4 lines, but whereas here, cognizance can be taken only in one way and that on the complaint of a particular statutory function, there is no scope or occasion for taking cognizance more than once.
Yes.
So they said it is only. Now,
Correct.
Toho, the Transplantation of Human Organs Act has a similar provision. Identical provision, Lordship, Jeevan Rock's judgment, which starts from page 24 of this compilation,
Yes, at page 34.
page 30, If Lordship has 34, section 22 is a parameter, same provision. Lordship may also have page 29,
Yes.
paragraph 6. The High Court didn't advert to the fact that this whether a complaint is not a police report and cannot be treated as such.
Yeah.
Page 30, last line. They reproduce that the complaint does not include a police report. I'm not taking my lord to CRPC, but the provision itself says, section 2D, when it is a complaint, it excludes a police report. Expressly it will be. Now, 34, section 2022 is reproduced. Now, my lords may come to page 36.
Yes.
This was a case where it was transferred to CBI. They said even then, para 26, it is well settled principle of law.
That's correct. We have seen that. Yes.
On page 36,
Yes.
it is well settled principle of law that if a special statute lays down procedure, the onus lies, the ones laid down under the general provision statute shall not be followed. Now, para 28, Lordship has it.
Yes.
To put it differently, upon completion of the investigation, an authorized officer could only file a complaint and not a police report, as a specific bar has been created by Parliament. In that view of the matter, the police report being not a complaint and vice versa, it was obligatory on the
All right. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Anything else you want to go?
on an extent to say whether CBI could have filed that complaint also. Now, Malad, thirdly, so both on facts there is no evidence, on law no cognizance could have been, and my challenge was both to the charge sheet and the cognizance. Malad, I am here only for myself, not the other co-accused. Now, Malad, may kindly have the Gurgaon closure report for a minute. Malad, how they bring in that facts of this case also. These are two different incidents which have been brought into over here. Annexure 24, Malad,
Yes.
Please.
are additional documents. It starts at page 57. And Lordship may have who's the complainant over there.
Please.
Page 57. Annexure A 24. My additional documents, Malaj. I'll buy the petition.
Yes.
I'm sorry, Malaj, we are just, I can prepare a convenience.
No problem. Page.
Page 57.
Yes.
Lordship may kindly have 58. Who is the complainant? Saurabh Gupta, son of Ashok Kumar Agarwal, the brother. And this Saurabh Gupta is a witness in this FIR.
So he's a witness in the present affair.
Present FIR.
Yeah. Yes.
And both are filed around the same time when the police doesn't do 156 Saurabh Gupta. Now, Lordship may kindly have. This relates only to the block, Malaj.
There is also section 50 of the Wildlife Protection Act.
Yes, Malaj.
Final report.
Final report. Same blog. Lordship may has page 63. The URL link of that blog is mentioned. Same blog which they are claiming now. Lordship, I've got it. Last but 6 lines. Further, the said video can be accessed through blink bearing number so and so.
Yes. Yes.
Now, Lordship may kindly have page 65. How they come to this conclusion.
Yes.
After noting what are the FIR and all that contents. Page 65, bottoms 8 lines. Upon reviewing the contents of the complaint letter, it was found that offences under 51 in wildlife and 11 of the prevention of cruelty to animals and 294 and 34. 294 is invoked over here also. Has been committed. Accordingly, the above mentioned case was registered and the initial investigation was carried out by so and so. During investigation, Hardik Anand was included. This Hardik Anand is the one who gets the snakes over there, not Rahul Sapera. He stated that exotic snakes were used in the shooting of the song 32 Boar, which were brought by him and for which he holds permission. Hardik
Very well. We have seen that.
and Malad, we took the permission. They took the permission from DC and all this. This has been file closure report. Malad, Lordship may kindly see. Additionally, if Lordship has just above para 17, 8 lines. Additionally, a notice was issued to the Wildlife Department, Gurugram, and a reply was obtained based on which the review they concluded point by point that no cruelty to snakes was observed in the video and all animals used were exotic species whose possession and usage do not constitute an offense. Well, this is they file it. It is before the court concerned. If summons are issued, I face the trial, but I can't be made to go for trial for 2 places by 2 brothers
Very well.
like this.
All right. Yes.
Malad, subject to
Yeah, all right. Yes.
My lord, I'd like to, my lord, may come to page 150, my lord, of the SLP, my lord, charge sheet. I'd like to read 3-4 paragraphs, my lord.
Yes. Yes.
My lord, middle of the page, my lord, page 150 of the SLP charge sheet, my lord. According to the received report, the recovered snake venom was found to be venom of snakes like cobra, krait, russell, and saw-scale viper. The original copy of the investigation report in 3 copies is attached with CD number 22. During the investigation, upon obtaining and reviewing the CDR of accused Rahul's mobile number so-and-so through several village cell, it was found that Rahul's V party so-and-so, who is Ishwar Yadav, resident of village Fajlipur, Haryana, with whom Rahul Sapera talks via his mobile phone or WhatsApp call, and the location of both was found to be the same tower in Gurgaon on dates so-and-so, 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 and so-and-so, and Ishwar Yadav and Vinay Yadav are good friends, and Ishwar Yadav has a banquet hall restaurant, and is in this very restaurant Rahul and Vinay Yadav together planned the said crime. It was found that Ishwar Yadav and Vinay Yadav had talked to each other over 15 times on different dates, and Vinay Yadav and Elvish Yadav are good friends who keep talking to each other continuously from this. It is clear that Elvish Yadav, the director, did not talk to Rahul Sapera directly, but he remained in contact with Rahul through his associate Vinay Yadav and through Ishwar Yadav, or through his associate and by Elvish Yadav's
That's
associate.
correct. There's no difficulty. What did that implicate him?
No,
See,
my lord, the matter which has been raised here is that the video relates to a Gurgaon music video, my lord. The music video is not in question, my lord. The video here in my lord is post the music video where they are playing with these snakes in a different manner, my lord. And there is not only one video, my lord. There is another video also in which a snake was found in a drum. That's second video, my lord. And then there is, my lord, an audio call, my lord, where
Counsel, all those things, see, they answer these questions.
Yes, my lord.
The first fundamental question is that under section 294,
284.
this will not come under the purview of the NDPS Act,
My lord.
number one. The second one is, if it is not come under NDPS, then that act will go. The second submission is, under the statute, you can only by way of a private complaint by an officer.
My lord, that's
Number 3 is on merit. What is that to implicate? So we'll go to number 3 later with respect to this, whether phone calls would indicate or not.
Yes.
Because he is not otherwise connected with this, except to the fact that he was doing it earlier, that some of his friends were in touch. He is not. There's no recovery from him, and nothing has been done. We will not even go into the aspect whether it's a snake venom that is used, because the materials will show it's only antidote.
No.
We are not going to conduct a rowing inquiry at this stage. How do you maintain the complaint? How do you say the cognizant offence is made out? On which provision
Mm-hmm.
the cognizant offence is made out?
Noida.
Schedule substance. It's an
Yes, yes, my lord.
It shows that.
Yes.
No, my lord, it is, as of now, my lord, that is not included in the schedule.
Then
NDPS
NDPS Act goes.
My lord, but
Listen,
sir,
see,
yes, my lord.
you may say you may be worst thing we are not saying. NDPS Act goes.
Yes.
Then we'll come under the other act.
The complaint is not
So
complaint, we file a
you have to file a complaint or private complaint.
My lord, for that we are before, my lord, it may be converted into complaint, my lord, if it is a...
That is what we are also contemplating.
Yes.
We are not going to give a clean sheet to the person. If he has committed something, it has to be done.
Yes.
But that is done by the proper officer.
My lord, all the recovery and everything was done by either they were police officers and or officers of the forest department, my lord. And the complaint was not filed, they filed a charge sheet, my lord. Now,
How do you?
my lord, it's a...
How do you do
My lord,
this?
for that we are before, my lord, it's made... My lord,
See, but when you want to find the charges approved, it should be through your proper authority now. See, now it will raise a question with respect to the complainant himself. See, one thing we can say, subject to somebody's appeal must be appeal complainant. His bona fides are absolutely doubtful. See, his brother has given the complaint earlier, and he is a witness here. That complaint is closed. Now even as against him, now his complaint itself says he's a member of so-and-so. But he's not so.
He is not, Your Lordship. May I just clarify that aspect, Your Lordship? That's being wrongly interpreted. The FIR says Animal Welfare Officer of PFA organization.
Yeah.
PFA is a private organization, People for Animals Trust. It's got nothing to do with the document that has been shown to Your Lordship.
All right.
So that whatever show cause notice, etc. But
All right, then you show how complaint is maintained.
Your Lordship, on the merits aspect, Your Lordship, I
Why
have.
should we go into the merits to see? We have a very serious doubt about your credentials, especially when your brother has given a complaint against that earlier block, and then thereafter he's also witness here. It seems that you are no credibility here.
If I may just only take Your Lordship through one paragraph, and on the same page that Your Lordship are at page 150.
Yes.
Just one paragraph I want to read, Your Lordship.
Why should we go into the merit when you lack bona fides? We are not here to conduct.
Your Lordship, it's my only complaint against this person.
See,
While the other.
you are not able to deny at least the documents filed by them to show how you are behaving in these matters,
No,
in such matters.
Which is what I'm saying is,
Yes.
Your Lordship, that even when I initiated the complaint, I'm not misrepresented to anybody that I'm some government officer. My statement is very clear that I'm an animal welfare officer of the PFA organization. It's clearly mentioned in the FIR, Your Lordship. I nowhere state that I'm some government officer acting on behalf of them, and therefore you should listen to my complaint. Therefore, Your Lordship, I have not concealed anything. As far as the second complaint is concerned, Your Lordship, the closure report notice has so far not even been issued to me, my brother. So, Your Lordship, I contested whenever it
Please don't say all this in
Whenever it comes, Your Lordship, I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is, Your Lordship may see, I have placed on good, I filed an application.
This is nothing but
Which is the same-
August is very, we will not see. We will not. I think so far you are concerned, we'll throw you out. That's as simple as that. So far they are concerned, we will only say